Hi, I'm Pam and welcome back to my channel, Made by Pam. And today I went thrift store shopping, and so I have picked up a lot of fabric and a lot of patterns. But first I'm just going to show you my patterns I picked up today, and then later I will show you my fabrics. I have too many to get through in one video, and the patterns will take a couple minutes. But I have come to the conclusion that I am going to do a fabric and pattern fast. I am not going to buy any more. This is my last fabric and pattern haul for this year, 2018. And the next year, I am allowing myself one weekend that I can go out and purchase patterns and fabrics because I will be out of town visiting my son. And so I am giving me that weekend, and then my birthday is a couple days later. So I am making that my birthday treat to myself when I go on my vacation. And so, other than that, 2019, I'm not going to buy any more fabric or any more patterns. And it is going to be very difficult because I love fabric and I love patterns. But I am going to have some willpower, and I am going to work through the fabrics that I already have and see what I can do. So let's get into what patterns I picked up today. I picked up a McCall's, and it is still in good condition. It's an older pattern. It says it is a 1987, and it's a Stitch and Save by McCall's 3111. And it is this pattern right here. And it's just one view. But I thought that would be pretty interesting. And then I have a Butterick B5660, and it is a placemat, pot holders, apron, and chair cover. And thought that would be interesting. I want to make some pot holders for some family. And then I have a McCall 7200, and it is a 1994, but it is a men's pajama ensemble. And then I have a Butterick 6394, and it is a coat jacket pattern, and it is a unlined loose-fitting jacket. And so what I decided is, because last time I mentioned that I have some fabric that has the dots and different design on it. Rainbow dots was what I call it. It's brown. And I am going to use that to make this pattern. I thought that would be a great idea, and I will give that a try. And then I have an easy Stitch and Save 5365 by McCall's, and it is a poodle skirt pattern, and thought that would be interesting also. And it has the various sizes: small, medium, large, and yeah, so that will be good to try that out. I've always wanted a poodle skirt pattern. And now I have a Palmer and Plush Designer Details Made Easy by McCall's at 5296, and I want to make view A. I think that would be wonderful, and I actually have some fabric I'm thinking I am going to use for that. And then I have a Very Easy Very Vogue 9303, and this is just a skirt and pants pattern. So it has long pants, the crop pants, and a skirt. And figured why not. And then I have a Kwik Sew K4159, and it just has two different versions, the A version and the B version. And you can interchange them, I'm sure, because the back version is in front is pretty much the same. So I thought that would be interesting there. And then I have a How to Sew Knit Selection and Stitching Technique book that I picked up, and it just has different techniques for stitching and information about sewing with knits. And Figured that would be interesting. And then I have a how to sew knits, assembling and finishing technique book, and thought that would be fun too. So those are the patterns and books that I picked up today. There is quite a few, and I will get back to you, and I am going to download this one and get it started, and then tomorrow I am going to download my fabrics haul video, which is going to be quite long, so be prepared. All right, well, thank you to all my new subscribers for subscribing and for watching my channel. I appreciate it. Have a great day and see you later. Bye.